to input this information into Desmos. So you go to desmos.com, calculator will probably come up, and if you have information here, you're just going to X out of that. But first we need to get this information in. So I'm going to click the plus sign and pull down table, and now I'm just going to input these X values that we have right here. So we have 0.5, we have 1, we have 2.5, we have 5, 6, 7, 4.5, and 3.5. Now let's go back and enter the Y values, the test grade: 30, 40, 60, 70, 85, 80, 65, 75. I'm going to check over those quickly. And now we have to adjust our graph here. So our x-axis, we'll always label it. That's hours on homework per week, right, per week. And we'll start at -1, and it looks like the most hours somebody here spent on homework is 7 hours. So let's go up to 8 so we can see everything. Let's say step 1. Our y-axis is test grade, and we'll start that also. Let's start that at -1, but maybe go up to 100. Okay, so now we can see these. We need to figure out what our line of best fit is going to be. So click on the plus, f of x expression. You're going to type in y1. You're going to use the little squiggle that's in the upper left-hand corner. mx1, x1 plus b, and we have everything we need for our line of best fit. M is going to be 7.63, so in fact, I had typed that in earlier. But what we're going to do on your sheet, you're going to write in 7.63x plus 34.5. And that's our y value. And we can see that this is a positive relationship because the more hours spent on homework, the higher the grade, right? So the grade is increasing, and we know that M is 7.63, meaning that what we're going to say is, look at what's on your x-axis. For every hour spent studying or doing homework, so I'm going to write this really small here, for every change in y, so for every hour spent studying, we know the test grade increases by 7.63 points. And the other thing we can say is our B value is 34.5. And B is, if you notice right over here, that's the value of y when x is 0. That's your test grade, and the hours is 0. So even if you did nothing, you should get a 34.5. That's kind of optimistic, I think. Okay, so when hours of homework equals 0, your test grade is 34.5. Still failing.